All right, so this is the Scrubbing Bubbles Foaming Bleach. It says it erases mold and mildew, and I'm going to try to see if this really works. As you can see right here, there is some mold growing in the corner of this bathtub basin right here. And I'm going to spray this foaming bleach, Scrubbing Bubbles, erases mold, to see if it actually works. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this nozzle until it goes to the on feature, and I'm gonna spray it, and then I'm gonna put it on a time lapse to see it working. Okay, so I have this right here. I'm gonna just spray that corner right there, and just make sure that all the parts that I want to be bleached are wet. So I'm gonna spray that, and then I'm gonna put it on time lapse, and then come back in like 10 minutes or so. All right, as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. You see that it got most of the mold off out of the corner. It says, like, according to the package, that I may have to reapply another application to get it pristine white. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to take this and I'm going to spray it again. All right, and then I'm going to do another time lapse to see if this last spray will actually get the black mold off. All right. All right. I did another time lapse. As you see, after the second application, it did do a little bit, but it did not get it bright white like I wanted to. As you can see, I mean, you can still see some dark marks. I'm gonna keep on doing more applications to see if that will actually get it white. But like right now, I'm like thinking I might have to scrub this or whatever. The directions say that I'm supposed to wipe it down with a wet cloth and then rinse it, and I'm gonna do that. And then maybe do another application and see if it gets bright. But at this point, it seems like it's too much work for it to get white, and I may have to just re-gout this or put new caulk down in for this right here. But that's the Scrubbing Bubbles Foaming Bleach. Let me know if you've had any success at doing this, or if you have any other options that will work. All right, let me know.